Hi, welcome back to another episode, and today I'll show you how to replace your gearbox oil and your diff oil. Before you do that, first jack up your car.
Once you've jacked up the car, there should be two bolts on the diff. The bottom one is the drain bolt and the one on the side is the fuel bolt. Be ready with an oil pan to catch the diff oil, that shit stinks. Once all the oil has drained, screw the drain bolt back in and it's time to replace the oil. Here we've used Penrite 8090. If you're unsure what oil to use, consult the owner's manual or ask your local parts shop. It's much easier to change the oil if you pick up a pump like this. In this case, a Honda S2K uses 0.7 litres of diff oil. As you saw, we filled the diff up and screwed the fuel bolt back in. We jacked up the front to get to the gearbox's fuel and drain bolts. Here we're using Penrite's 7580 transmission oil. This S2K uses roughly 1.8 litres. Check the internet if you're unsure. Make sure you screw the drain bolt in before adding fresh oil back in. Once that's all done, bolt everything back up and you're done. Your gearbox should feel much smoother now. And thanks for watching.